This is the image created by a premium text-to-image, and this is created by a completely free AI tool. Which one is best? The tool I will share with you really insane. And look, it has many styles you can use, like oil painting, anime, pixel art, 3D emoji, vintage comic, and many more. What if I say you don't need to even sign up? Cool, right? So wait for this secret AI tool. I will tell you in the end about this tool. Now I'm going to share with 3 AI new text-to-image AI generator. And the last one is completely free and has many styles with no credit. And it also creates text in the image. And it's no ideogram, so watch till end. This video sure gives you value. So subscribe to this channel if you want to grow with yourself with the AI world. Let's begin. First, go to the Chrome browser and search Imagine Meta AI. Now open the first website, and you can see this page. It's a new text-to-image generator from Meta. Now write your prompt here, whatever you want to make. I give a prompt here, a portrait photo of a beautiful woman. Here you can select style. Just see how perfect and beautiful the picture it creates. Let's try another prompt, a realistic dog playing football. Look at this picture. Can you believe this is not real? AI is going to be insane, my friend. Okay, let's jump to the next AI tool. Go to Chrome again and search FreePic AI Image Generator. Now click on the first website. You can see this interface. Here, type your prompt, a beautiful woman drinking hot coffee in her bedroom at night. Now choose your style. I choose the comic. Let's see. Look at this image, how pretty and cool. You can explore this tool like this. Now talk about our most awaited AI text-to-image generator, which is completely free and you don't even need to sign up. Go to Chrome and search the PC Legends. Now click on the first website. You will see this interface. Now click into this. Scroll down and you can see this option, Generate Now. Click on that. Now give your prompt. I write here, a beautiful woman wearing crown and looking at the mirror. Now choose your style. Look how many styles are available here. I choose soft anime. Look how aesthetic pictures it creates. Let's try another style of the same prompt. Now I choose cinematic. Let's see. Wow, just look how beautiful the pictures are. I hope you definitely love it. Explore this tool and you will create different types of pictures. And for more free AI tools, subscribe to the channel. You will learn the most useful and free AI tools. And I already made about how to make aesthetic animation and horror short movies. For these, check my channel. Thanks for watching.